Happy 30th wedding anniversary, Tito Eve and Tita Ishi!
From us here in Abu Dhabi.
Ang wish namin, sana masundan na si Jack Jack! Yeah!
Again.
Hello, Techi and Evaner.
Happy 30th wedding anniversary to both of you.
Yeah, God bless.
God bless.
Wish we were there to celebrate it though. We miss you. We miss you so much. Okay. Yeah. I know it's been a long time.
Happy New Year too.
Yes, there you go. Hello everyone.
Do
you have a message? Happy anniversary!
Happy anniversary!
Meron daw sasabihin sila dito. Okay.
Meron daw sasabihin sila.
Okay.
Okay, so we are gathered here today on this joyous occasion to celebrate the special love that Tito Eve and Tito Tess share.
Okay.
It's a love based on giving and receiving, as well as receiving and sharing. And the love that they give is shared and have and receive. And so, through this having and giving and sharing and receiving, we too can share and love and have and receive.
Okay.
When I think of the love that these two givers and receivers share, I cannot help but envy the lifetime ahead of having and loving and giving
and receiving
and
sharing and
receiving.
Happy 30th anniversary to both of you from California, the Violago family. Yay! And Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas to
LA.
God bless you. From LA.
LA.
No, hurry up.
Now.
Hello, everyone.
Hi, everyone. How are you?
Happy 30th wedding anniversary.
Yun, next. Yun ang mahaba at madamdaming greeting ni Joshua. And yeah, happy 30th wedding anniversary, Kuya Eve, Ate Tess. Congratulations. 30 years na kayo nagbobolahan. Joke lang. Here's to another 30 years of married life, of happy married life. Stay in love and yun, God bless you. And sayang, sana nandiyan kami. Nakakainis naman eh. Hindi kami nakapunta. Anyway, have a nice day everyone. Belated Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Advance Happy New Year. Bye everyone.
Bye. No, it's still recording.
I think so. I hope so.
Hi Mom, hi Dad. Congratulations po. Happy anniversary. Mom, Dad, 30 years na. Tagal na na. Grabe, 30 years. Hindi pa nagsasawa sa isa't isa. I think that's a great accomplishment and that's incredible. Mom, Dad, maraming salamat po kasi all throughout yung 30 years na pagsasama nyo, there's always be, obviously merong ups and downs and I want to thank you for sticking together. You both chose to love one another, and I think that's one of the reasons why yung family natin is going really well. I thank you for that, and I appreciate that. I'm pretty sure my brothers would say the same. Mom, Dad, happy anniversary ulit, and I hope that you guys have a great night tonight. Love you. Bye.
Happy anniversary, Mommies and Lolo.
Happy anniversary, Naitay. More years to come, and I hope na yung love ninyo for each other will just bloom throughout the years. It's your 30th. Even though nawala kami dito ni Kuya at ni Jack Jack, lagi naman kami nasa isip at puso ninyo. Lalong-lalo na ni Atay.
Happy anniversary, Nanay and Tatay. Thank you po for everything that you did for us, your children, and most especially sa apo niyong si Ataris. Sana Sana magtagal kami katulad ng relationship nyo. You're our idol. Happy anniversary! Say Lolo! Lolo, Mamis! Bagam na sila. Okay, 1, 2, 3, cheers!
Cheers!
Happy anniversary!
One take lang po. Inayay tay. Happy 30th anniversary po sa inyo. Ito po ang sulat. Muna-una po maraming salamat sa pagpapalaki pagmamahal po sa aming tatlo. Din puno ng pagmamahal, pag-aaruga at walang kupas, na panguunawa at pasensya. Lahat po ng amin ngayon, wala po kundi po dahil sa inyo. Lubos po ako nagpapasalamat sa paggabay sa amin ng tuwid at ng may takot sa Diyos. Lahat po ng pagsisikap nyo ay amin pong damang-dama. At utang po namin lahat ito sa inyo. Kami po lahat ay nakapagtapos at patuloy pong magmamahal bilang magkakapatid. Kayo po ang aming ehemplo kung paano magtaguyod ng isang pamilya. Salamat po sa walang hanggang pagmamahalan nyo sa isa't isa. Ang lumaki na makita ko pong magulang, ang lumaki na makita ang magulang na patuloy magmamahalan ay biyaya po ng Diyos. Lubos po ako nagpapasalamat. Salamat po sa matibay yung samahan, sa hirap paginhawa. Hindi ko po bibitawan ng inyong mga aral. Hindi ko po bibitawan ng inyong mga aral, kultura. Tapat niyo po pangako sa Diyos at sa isa't isa. Forever ko po kayong idolo. Sa lahat-lahat po ng pagsisikap, hirap, pawis at pagod, tapos puso po ako nagpapasalamat. Hiling ko po ang patuloy na pagmamahalan niyo sa isa't isa. Nay-tay, salamat po. Mahal ko po kayo. Ingat po kayo lagi and God bless.